Very good morning, children. I welcome you all for the English lecture. Today we will revise few topics from our English grammar. Okay, children, what is a sentence? Yes, Siddhi.
Sentence is the group of words.
Okay, so sentence is a group of words. Very good. Yes, Palak. Any other child? What is a sentence? Okay, let's see. Sentence has four aspects. Okay, so these are your group of words which Siddhi has said just now. कि sentence क्या होता है? It is about group of words. But क्या only group of words will make a sentence? Then what other requirements are there? What other conditions are there to fulfill like this given group of words is a sentence? There are three other aspects. Among them, the second one is that group of words should have complete thought and idea. Any group of words would not make that group of words a sentence. It should have complete thought and idea. What is thought and idea? Means that group of words should make sense. Then the third is it will have subject and finite verb. And the last is it will have different expressions. So children, I will request you to give me few examples. Okay, few examples having all these criterias. Raise your hand. I will unmute you and you can answer. Okay, Siddhi.
Oh wow, her writing is so beautiful.
Wow, your writing is so beautiful. Very good. So your group of words are there and this group of words have complete thought and idea, means have giving you the expression also. Wow, so here you have expression. And Siddhi, will you tell me the sentence which you just now told us, उसमें subject and finite verb क्या है? Will you please repeat your sentence?
Miss, can I tell?
No. Let Siddhi answer. Siddhi, will you please tell me जो sentence
Yes.
आपने बोला?
Your is a subject and finite verb is writing.
Will you please again repeat your sentence? Siddhi, repeat your sentence.
Oh wow, your writing is so beautiful.
Okay, Siddhi said कि your यहाँ पर subject है and writing आपका finite verb है. But Siddhi, in this sentence you are talking about the handwriting, isn't it? So your आपका subject नहीं होगा, your handwriting. So यहाँ पर जो subject है your handwriting है and is beautiful, whatever you said. Your handwriting is beautiful. So here your handwriting is your subject and beauty is your finite verb. Okay. Now we'll see the examples. Children, be ready to answer, okay? Because this is an interactive class. Now here I have written two statements यहाँ पर दिया गया है. Yellow color favorite is my. and the second one is my favorite color is yellow. Okay, now I will ask you कि इसमें से कौन सा ऐसा सेंटेंस है जो सारे ये 4 जो क्राइटेरिया है फुलफिल कर रहा है, और कौन सा सेंटेंस ऐसा है जिसमें ये क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है. So I will request Sakshi.
Yes, miss.
Please Sakshi.
मिस माय फेवरेट कलर इज येलो, ये क्राइटेरिया अच्छे से फुलफिल कर रहा है. और येलो कलर फेवरेट इज माय, इसमें मतलब सब्जेक्ट वर्ब मतलब उधर इधर उधर करके दिया है.
Okay, so proper arrangement नहीं है. Okay,
yes, miss.
According to you, the first sentence is not properly arranged. So here, हाँ, yes.
मैम वो भी एक सेंटेंस है बट अरेंज नहीं हुआ है.
You cannot say this the first one as a sentence. Why? Because the first one will not give you complete thought and idea. Okay, because Sakshi, will you please mute yourself? Okay, so this first sentence is not giving you the complete thought and idea. Why? Because arrangement of words are not proper. So ये जो अपना criteria है ये fulfill नहीं हो रहा है. So this way we can say all those sentences which have all these 4 criteria are your sentences. So group of words भी होने चाहिए, subject and finite verb भी होगा, then it will give you complete thought and idea, and it will have an expression. So here a statement is given, my favorite color is yellow. This is your statement. Now we'll see the next example. I have many story books. Okay, so I will request Masira Sheikh to please answer this question. I have many story books. अब इसमें से कौन कौन सी क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल हो रही है अब above all ये 4 जो है?
मैम दिस इज ऑल्सो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, कंप्लीट थॉट एंड आइडिया, डिफरेंट एक्सप्रेशन भी है और सब्जेक्ट और फाइनाइट वर्ब भी है.
So will you tell me कि सब्जेक्ट क्या है एंड फाइनाइट वर्ब यहाँ पर क्या है?
मैम सब्जेक्ट स्टोरी बुक्स है और फाइनाइट वर्ब है मैनी.
नो माय डियर, स्टोरी बुक्स आपका सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. ओके, सो आई विल रिक्वेस्ट नीतीश.
Miss, subject is I.
Correct.
And finite is books. Finite verb is book.
Verb. Okay, wait. I'll explain later on. Okay. Sonia, please tell me इसमें finite verb क्या है?
मैनी स्टोरी बुक्स.
Okay, let's see. बाकी बच्चों के पास क्या आंसर है? साक्षी.
yes miss, have is the verb.
Very good. So here have आपका verb है. I have many story books. So here जो I है वो subject है, correct. Subject के बाद क्या follow कर रहा है वहां पर? Have verb है. Okay. So I have, this is your subject and finite verb. Let's see the next example. Sakshi, you can mute yourself. Now next is, what an amazing day it was. Okay. So here we have Nishchay.
What an amazing day it was. Complete thought and idea.
This sentence gives you complete thought and idea. Okay. Then what about subject and finite verb? Okay, Sachin. Yes.
Subject is day, amazing day, and verb is watch.
Okay. Was or what? What did he say?
क्या टीचर?
Verb आपने क्या बताया?
Verb teacher was.
Very good, very good. So here about expression, Sachin, will you tell me ये कैसा expression दे रहा है? Diksha, will you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
About the expression.
Ma'am, exclamatory sentences is.
I am talking about expression. कैसा expression है? Exclamatory sentence में कैसा expression होता है?
Happiness is expressions.
हाँ, happiness है, but here sudden expression. What an amazing day it was. So exclamatory sentence has sudden expression. Either sudden expression में happiness भी हो सकता है, sadness भी हो सकता है. Okay, let's see the next example. Where do you live? Krish, please unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Please tell me, यहाँ पर क्या है दिया हुआ है? Is it a sentence or not?
Hello, teacher.
Yes, please.
Where do you live?
Is it a sentence or not? Krish, is it a sentence or not? Okay, I'll ask someone else. Sachin? Vishal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Please tell me, is it a sentence or not? Where do you live?
Yes, ma'am. It is a sentence. It shows complete thought. It is a group of words. It also shows a different expression. And
which kind of expression is this?
Ma'am, it is a sudden expression, and it is also a question.
It's a question. Where do you live? It's not a sudden expression because
it's interrogative.
Interrogative sentence. Correct. Very good, children. So here I think you have understood कि sentence क्या होता है. Now we'll see. Yes.
मैम कोई वेटिंग रूम में वेट कर रहा है.
Ma'am will actually 300 participants हो गए हैं, so they cannot enter now. Okay, you mute yourself. Let's see the next. Now classify the given statements into two categories. We have to classify this given statements, okay, into two categories. You decide the category. अभी हमने जो previous slide में पढ़ा. Now you have to decide दो category में divide करना है. So 6 sentences है. Now you will divide, okay? तो इसमें से I will ask you which are sentences and which are not. Okay, the first one. Ruksar, unmute yourself and tell me a perfect symbol, whether it is a sentence or not. Masira?
Yes, ma'am. क्या हो गया?
Please tell me the first given example, a perfect symbol. Is it a sentence or not?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. It is a sentence.
How did you come to know it is a sentence?
Because, ma'am, it is a group of words. It shows expression of perfect symbol. It is a short sentence, but it is a sentence, ma'am, because it is show a expression. It is has a meaning. And
please tell me, what about subject and finite verb? Where is the subject and finite verb? This is not a sentence. The first one is not a sentence because this statement does not have subject and finite verb. Now we'll see the next. He contributed notably in bringing up the school. Rehan Sheikh, please unmute yourself. Rehan? Okay. He contributed notably in bringing up the school. Here we have subject he. Contributed is your finite verb. So here we have subject, we have verb also, and this makes a complete sense. Expression is there. Expression, it means it is a statement. It is a sentence. So here the second one is your sentence. Now got ready. Got ready. Here we do not have subject and we have verb got. Okay, but we do not have subject over here. So here this is not your sentence. Now he promised to look into the matter. Here we have subject he and we have promised. This is your verb. So we have subject and verb, and here everything, all the four criteria are fulfilled. Now you must carry out your duty faithfully. Here you is your subject, must is your verb. Took over the control. Here took is your verb, but here we do not have subject. So on the basis of that, here we have two groups. एक red part में मैंने divide किया है, and the other one जो black blue में है. These are your sentences. Now we have understood कि fourth, fifth and sixth is this part is your sentence. Then what about this? ये क्या है फिर? These are your phrases. Now we'll see what are phrases and what are sentences. दोनों में क्या difference होता है? So here a perfect symbol, got ready, took over the control. These are your phrases. Phrases are group of words. Okay. So here we have group of words. Now what about sentence? ये सारे sentences है because four criteria जो मैंने beginning में सिखाया था वो fulfill हो रहा है. Now we'll see the next. अभी phrases and sentences में क्या difference होता है? Phrases are group of words that does not express complete thought. ऐसे group of words हैं जो complete sense नहीं देते, complete meaning नहीं देते हैं. Like in spite of. अभी in spite of ये आपका क्या है? Group of words है. But here we do not have subject. Okay, we do not have finite verb. So this is your phrase. Sentence is a group of words that expresses complete thought. So here we already know कि sentence क्या होता है, वो four criteria fulfill होता है. So here we have subject Rohan and we have here our finite verb helped. Now next, what about phrases? Phrases do not have subject or predicate or both. So here we have here verb is given, build is your verb, but we do not have subject. So this is your phrase. So here phrases are in spite of and to build. What about sentence? Sentence में subject भी होता है and we have predicate. Now predicate, what is predicate? जो verb से begin होता है, that is your predicate. और जो verb के पहले यहाँ पर दिया है, this is your subject. I hope children you have understood the difference between phrase and sentence. Now let's see what are subjects and predicates. Okay, now we'll see what are subjects. Subject means what? A doer, the one who does the action. Subject मतलब जो sentence में action कर रहा है, that is doer, उसी को subject बोलते हैं. जैसे and it can be noun and pronoun. Subject either noun हो सकता है और pronoun भी हो सकता है. Now let's see. Rohan kicked the ball. Here action क्या है? Kick. Kick is your action. And who is kicking the ball? Rohan. So Rohan is your subject. The one who does the action. जो action करता है उसको ही क्या बोलते हैं? Subject. She did her homework. Now here she is your subject. अभी यहाँ पर pronoun हो गया. We had in the first sentence we had noun as a subject, and in the second we have pronoun. So here she did her homework. So did यहाँ पर क्या है? Action बता रहा है जो past में किया हुआ है. So this is your verb. Now we'll see what is predicate. अभी predicate क्या होता है? Action done by the subject. जो action subject ने किया है, that is your predicate. And it starts with verb. Verb से begin होता है. We'll see the example. Richa plays cricket. So here underline part ये जो पूरा है, this is your predicate. Because Richa ने क्या action किया है? She is play का action किया है. Okay? She is playing. She plays cricket. और यहाँ पर cricket क्या हो गया? ये आपका object. But yeah, here you have to make sure कि verb से क्या begin होता है? Your predicate. Now we'll see verbs. About verbs. अभी verbs कैसे पहचानना है? Verbs में होते हैं action verbs होते हैं and helping verbs होते हैं. What are action verbs? ये word से आपको पता चल जा रहा है कि what is action? What is an action? Action मतलब कुछ हमने किया है. Okay? That is action. And helping जो main verb को help करेगा, that is your helping verb. Now we'll see. Main verb are your action verbs like sing, run, come and laugh and etc. These are your action verb where एक action दिखाई दे रहा है. Singing से पता चल रहा है कि क्या action हो रहा है गाना गाने का. Then run, then come and laugh. What are helping verbs? Helping verbs क्या होते हैं? All these are your helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, would, should, can, could, may, might, must, ought, do, does, did. All these are your helping verbs. What is the function of these helping verbs? ये help करते हैं main verb में जब भी changes होता है, so ये सारे use होते हैं. Now we'll see the examples. I sing melodiously. Now here this red part, this red word जो है, that is your action. I am singing melodiously. When this sing change into singing, tense change हो गया, so here we have am. अभी उसका क्या फंक्शन है? कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटी, ऐसा एक्शन जो प्रेजेंट में कंटिन्यू हो रहा है, स्टिल इट्स गोइंग ऑन, उसको बता रहा है. तो हियर एम इज योर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. व्हाट आई सेड इन द प्रीवियस स्लाइड कि अपना प्रेडिकेट जो है वर्ब से स्टार्ट होता है. समटाइम्स यू विल हैव मेन वर्ब. ओके, सेंटेंस में टेंस के अकॉर्डिंगली समटाइम्स यू विल हैव मेन वर्ब, समटाइम्स यू विल हैव योर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. तो अगर मेन वर्ब है तो आपका प्रेडिकेट मेन वर्ब से स्टार्ट होगा. व्हेन यू विल हैव हेल्पिंग वर्ब तो आपका प्रेडिकेट वहां से स्टार्ट होगा. कोई भी वर्ब हो, हेल्पिंग हो, इधर मेन हो, योर सब्जेक्ट will be followed by those helping verbs or main verbs. I like chocolates. Now here, like, this is an action. I was running fast. Here, the action of running was done, was continued in the past. So it was in the continuation in the past. Because was क्या होता है? Helping up past tense में use होता है. Progressive या continuous tense. Now we'll see the next. He laughed loudly. Now your action of laughing. So okay children, here he laughed loudly. So here action of laughing is done, okay, in the past. Now next example, they had helped me. Here the action of helping was done in the past. Now next, Rohan will come to meet me. So here it is given that Rohan will come to meet me. This action will take place in future. So here will is used over here. Now next, she fell down. So here the action of falling down had happened in the past. This is your main verb. Now we'll have here Renu must complete her work. So here must is your helping verb. Okay, this is modal auxiliary. Now we'll practice here identify subject and predicate in the given sentence. Now children, be ready. Now it's your turn to answer these questions and I want explanation from your side. आपको explain करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so here be ready. आपको मैं sentences दे रही हूँ and you have to tell me कि वो subject क्या है, predicate क्या है, and with the explanation about expression and ideas whatever it was given in the sentences. Okay. So we have here, this is our first sentence. I am going early today. Okay. I am going early today. This is our sentence. Now, I will select Sejal. I will ask Sejal. Okay, Abdul. I will request Abdul to answer this question.
Yes, Miss.
Please, Abdul, tell me subject क्या है and predicate क्या है?
Miss, I is a subject and I am going early today. It's a predicate.
Predicate. Very good, Abdul. Very good.
Thank you, Miss.
Now, please, I want other students to answer. We have Neha. Yes, Neha.
I is the subject.
Neha,
I'm going.
wait. Let's see the next sentence. I hadn't seen him for many days. Now, please tell me here what is subject and what is predicate. Neha. Okay, I will request Sabrine.
Yes, miss.
Please, Sabrine,
I
tell.
subject and had not seen him for many days is a predicate.
Okay, Sabrine. Sabrine, will you tell me, ये hadn't जो है, is it a main verb or your helping verb? Okay, Sakshi. Sakshi will tell me.
Yes, miss.
Sakshi,
Miss,
please.
hadn't is a helping verb.
Very good. And is it a negative or positive?
Or negative.
Very good. Good. Now we'll see the next example. We shall help each other. Sakshi, mute yourself. We shall help each other. Now I request Hizra Ali.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me.
Ma'am, we shall is subject, help each other is predicate.
Okay, wait, Hizra, okay?
Yes.
Wait. I want other children to answer. Abu Obaid. Okay, Karan.
Sir, ma'am, we shall subject have each other predicate.
Okay, wait. Kumkum. Kumkum.
Yes, miss.
Please tell me. थर्ड सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट क्या है?
Yes, miss. We is a subject and shall to other is a predicate. No, ma'am, we is a subject and we shall each other is a predicate.
Okay, so here we shall help each other. Isma Qureshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me about subject and predicate.
Ma'am, we shall is the subject and help each other the predicate.
No. Here, we is your subject. Okay. Shall जो है वो आपका helping verb है. Will, shall. मैंने previous slide में आपको बताया कि आपका helping verb will, shall, has, have जो मैंने आपको डेटा दिया था उसमें ये verb जो है वो helping verb है. And help is your main verb. So here your predicate will begin with shall, help, and it will end here. Shall help each other. This is your predicate. Now we'll see the next example. We all have to pay for our mistakes. Sabreen Sheikh.
We is a subject and all have to pay for our mistakes. It's predicate.
We all is your subject and have to pay for our mistakes, this is your predicate. Now with this we all जो ये है, ये आपका सब्जेक्ट का काम कर रहा है, बिकॉज वी के साथ यहाँ पर देखो ग्रुप को बता रहा है. ओके, so those who are committing mistakes, they have to pay. So here we all, this is your subject, and have to pay for our mistakes, this is your predicate. Now Sakshi Sharma. Sakshi Sharma.
Ma'am, they is subject, must be late tomorrow is the predicate.
Okay, must not be. Okay, mustn't में must not be late tomorrow. This is the predicate. Very good, Sakshi. Now we have Sachin. Sachin.
Yes, teacher.
Now see the next sentence. It might rain during the night.
Teacher, it is subject and might rain during the night is predicate.
Very good. Now we have Sakshi Sharma. Okay, Sakshi, again please answer. I may come to meet you in the evening.
I may is the subject, come to meet you in the evening predicated.
No, Sakshi. Okay, Vijay.
I is subject, may come to meet you in the evening is predicate.
Okay, so here I is your subject and rest of the part of the sentence is your predicate. I आपका subject है, pronoun है. May is your helping verb here. Okay, so may आपका helping verb है. Come जो है, this is your main verb. So helping verb से मैंने कहा था ना आपको कि आपका predicate begin होगा. Now next. Students didn't play well the game. Kumkum.
Hello?
Yes, Kumkum, please answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think student is a subject and didn't play well the game is a predicate.
Very good. Correct. Vikas Bin.
Yes, teacher.
He is helping all.
Yes, teacher. He is subject, is helping all, predicate, and he is helping verb, or helping is main verb.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. Now we have last sentence. Reha likes to sing. Simran.
Ma'am, Reha is a subject, likes to sing is a predicate.
Very good. Very good, Simran. So with this we have completed today's class, जिसमें हमने सीखा about sentence, about subject and predicate, about verb, helping and action verb, and phrase and sentence. So we have completed today's class. I hope you have understood. So we'll continue in the next lecture. Any other topic then. Thank you, children, for attending the class. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Rinki ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Students, stay continued with us for the next lecture, maths lecture. 8:55, we'll start with the maths lecture within 10 minutes. Refresh yourself and join us again. Now, I will just like to announce